Yeah, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I'll be walking you through how to create a free website in just about a few minutes. So head right and keep watching this video and I show you how to create a website for free. Yeah, if this is your first time in the channel, I would love you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you get notified. What it's gonna do for you is whenever we post any relating video or educating video like this, you'll be the first to get to watch the video, and then you start making progress on learning how to design websites, search engine optimization, content management, SEO, and what have you. So one more thing before we get right into my system, I'll be showing you 5 steps you will take to create this free website. And this is not gonna be something that will bore you or something. It's just gonna be about a few minutes, and then we'll have our website published and anyone can go through the link, click it and put it into the search bar, and then get to see our live website. So one more thing before I get right into the video, leave a comment below this video, and if this video was interesting and educating to you, I would love you to give me a like, and if it doesn't interest you or it is not educating as you expected, hit the dislike button and then tell me in the comment below how I'm going to make better for my next video. Therefore, this said, let's get right into the video and I'll show you how to create a website for free. So we'll be using a free hosting, we'll be using a free domain name. I made this video to teach anyone trying to start his journey as a website designer or trying to get out his product out there and is looking out for how to create a free website. So in this video, let's get right and I show you how to get a free hosting to host your website and then start building your website. So go to a browser. For instance, I'm making use of Chrome. Then search for Google site. Okay, you press enter. Yeah, you're going to see a whole lot of stuff. This is the first one. We are going with this one. Yeah, you wait for it to load. And remember, I said there are steps we are going to follow to create this website. The first step, and for everyone that wants to start his or her own creating this free website, you must have a Gmail account. And you can see I've logged into my Gmail account, which is why immediately I clicked on that site, on that link, which is site.google.com. It redirected me to this place immediately. But for anyone watching this video, I'm sure that it will first of all ask you to log in. So I will turn this Chrome into incognito for people who have not already logged in their Gmail account, so that once you're watching this video, at the end of it, you will have no difficulty to find while creating your free website. So I'll turn incognito, new incognito. Doing this for those who have their Gmail account already but they have not logged it into Chrome yet. But note, for you to be able to create this free website, you must have a Gmail account, and that is the first step. So let's search for it again. Google Sites, enter. Okay, they are giving us another stuff here. Let's scroll down a bit. Okay, yeah, here is it. We are going to click it again. Yeah, you see what I said? This is what anyone trying to do this for the first time is gonna see. The other one logged me in straight up because I have some websites through this site and it is free. But let me say, for instance, I have a website, weblog.com. This is my website. Let's go for it. Yeah, if I want to give anyone access to this website, what the person will have is the person's domain name dot my own then .com. This is why a lot of people go for the paid website design or development, because of what this Google site, what it's gonna do is, let me not say it's a disadvantage, but what it's gonna do is, after you have created it, if you gave it a domain name as something like, let's say Greg Online, let's say Greg Online, this is your preferred domain name. But what this Google site will do for you is, instead of having something like gregonline.com or gregonline.org or .net, what it will now do for you is gregonline.google.com, which means you're finding a space inside google.com. So let's continue. You're here now. Then I'm going to put my email. Click next. You're going to enter your password. Boom. Now you see, this was the particular place we were redirected to. Immediately I clicked that site for the link for the first time, it came here immediately because of what I have already logged in my Gmail account, and then I have some site with them. So moving on to the second step. The second step is to choose the type of website you want to create. Choose the type of website you want to create, and in choosing this type of website, there are two ways you can choose to create a free website. The first is building it from scratch, which you see here is blank. Building it from scratch, which is this one. Then we have another one. We have a portfolio. We have, you want to create a website for an event, you want to create a website for a help center, or you want to create a project. This is the one I use mostly for some of my websites, and some of the websites I built for people for free, or mostly for some blog posts. You can use this one. I recommend it because I make use of it a lot, and you can also make use of this one. Now note, for everything you can do in any of these templates, you can do it here. It's just a matter of trying to reinvent the wheel, and whatever that you've seen here, just try to become creative and then put it here. You will see that you have your free website up and running. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I will choose this one, this project. After it loads, we are gonna, you see, we are here now. So we are gonna start creating our website. So what this where you are going to give, let's continue with the one we started with. Let's say Greg Online. Yeah, Greg Online. This is your site document. Then this is the name of your website. Let's put that same, listen, Greg Online. Greg Online. Yeah, you press enter. Greg Online. You see it is changing here immediately. Greg Online. So next thing we are going to do now is we are going to try to edit this logo. Let's edit this logo. Let's upload our logo. Okay, it's uploaded already. Okay, this is our site. This is our site name, and this is our logo. but I'm just doing this for the purpose of this website and then to keep to the time for this tutorial. So let's move on. Then you are now good. This is where you are going to put your project name, like whatever you do on your website. Okay, let's say Greg Online is an SEO company based in Africa. Okay, then you're gonna edit this also. This is just like a subtitle. Let's say we help your website rank and outperform other websites out there. Trust us today and start your online traffic. Track. Press enter. Okay, now we are done with that. See what I say here. Now I want to make some changes because you might be asking, must it be like this or something? So you can actually change and choose the type of font you want. Okay, let's go with this. Let's make it bold, and let's increase the font size. Let me make it to 30, and let's come here and increase yeah, you can make this come to the center. That's good. Now we have the name of our site, and then we have our project name. Then let's continue to our site. Now you have seen, this is now where you are going to start creating and adding content to your website, which leads us to the third step in creating this free website. You've chosen your template, the template you want, you've chosen the type of website you want. The third step now is to start creating and adding content to your website of our company. Yeah, you see, this is a brief description. So let's say we help your business site rank first on Google, thereby getting traffic. Yeah, getting traffic, correct. So now you can start adding images to this stuff to explain more of what you do in your company. Now to add an image, what you just have to do is click on this, then either you can put a link you can uncrop, or like cropping this image and all that. But for the purpose of this, we are just gonna be replacing this image. You click on replace image, then you click on upload. What are we selecting next? Okay, let's still use this image we have been using for now. Okay, you can do this for all of them. You can say the first one, you can add your content here, SEO. These are the things you do in your company. More today with Greg online company. Yeah, you are done with that. Then you come over to this one, you edit you can say another service you offer. You can say we are the best website design and development company here in Africa. Glow. Yeah, so we continue. You can do this for all your videos and all the content. You can actually add, before the end of this video I will show you how to add a video to your website. Now the next step is coming over to the footer. Yeah, we are going to edit the footer where you are going to tell anyone who we are going to talk about the copyright and all that. So let's edit the footer. Online January 7, 2022. Yeah, that is done. So we move on. This is an overview of what our website looks like. Having this said, we will now continue to the next step. After adding your content and all that, we can now click on publish. Okay, so you see it. This what you said here. You said Greg Online, but see how, because this is what I said before we entered this free website creation tutorial. So I told you that it will have, you have the extension of Google. So this is the website, this is your website URL that when you give it to anyone and the person puts it into the search bar, the person will locate you. So let's click on publish. Whoa, so I said here, your site has been published. So let's view our website and see what it looks like. Wow, it's not bad, so it's not bad. So this is how your website is gonna look, and you see what all the things and all the steps we followed. We didn't make any payments and we didn't do any stuff. And I'm sure that if you go out there and search online, you see a lot of websites like this, and you'll be asking how come about this and how did this come to be. So one next thing I want to teach you before the end of this video, I want to teach you how to add pages. So for instance, you want to create blog on your website. Let's get right now and let's go back to what we have here. So if you want to add pages to your website, you go over here and you click on pages. you see all these other pages. You see home, you see history, you see team, then you see fact. Let's go back here. See what we have here. You see the same thing: home, history, theme, and then you have fact. So let's go back. For every this thing you don't need, I don't need this, so you're gonna delete it. I don't need this, you're gonna delete it. I don't need the fact, I'm still gonna delete it. So I'm gonna click on publish. Got it. For you to add a page, let me say a blog page on your website, let's just go here. You click on this, then you click on new page. What is the name you want to give to your new page? My blog. Yeah, you click on done. Great online blog. You see that? You click on publish. This is how the draft, then this is how it currently looks. Just overlook that. You click on publish. Whoa, the page has been published. You see the new page here. You see that? So we get right into editing our blog page. So just click here on insert, then you click, for instance, okay, I want to create a blog that has a picture and then the title and then the explanation of whatever. So let's click on this. I love something like this. Okay, let's upload our image. Let's still use the one we've been making use of. Let's still use this one. Yeah, so one good thing about this, you can actually adjust your image. You see that? Okay, bring this down. You can actually take this up to anywhere you want. So you see that? So here is the blog title is Mentals of SEO. This is our blog title. So then you click here to add text. Okay, to make this video shorter, I will go online and then copy a content and then come back here and paste it. But whenever you want to do something like this, get your content ready so that as you are creating it, it won't take longer time. You just, whatever you reach where you're going to paste your content, you can create it in a document, you can create it on a notepad, whatever. So but to make this video faster, this is how your blog is gonna look like. Okay, let me say for instance you still want to add something below this. You can still add any text if you want. You can still add any text if you want. If you don't want, you remove that. You can still add maybe a link, or you can embed a code, or you can input a URL. So I said I will tell you how to put a video before the end of this video, and that is what I'm going to do here now. So you get right into YouTube, or because there is where you can get a URL for a video to add into your website. Get back to my back end. Let me put it here. Your website. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Yeah, this is your video. You now click on insert. Your video is right here, so you can actually adjust it to whatever length you want, and then you can bring it downwards. Yeah, so this is your blog. This is your blog post. So I'm going to click on publish. This is the draft, and this is how it's. Just ignore that and click on publish. You see it, it is published already. Go here and click on view published site. Okay, you see our blog. See what our blog looks like. Great online blog. So see our image, you see the content we've created. see the video we added, you see that same copyright stuff under here, you see that. So this is our blog, this is our another page, this is our home page. We are going back to our home page and it's loading real quick. So if you still want to add any other new page, you have to go back to your back end, and then you're gonna click on pages. You click here, add new, you name your page. You can name your page about us page. You click on done, click on publish again. So this is how you can actually add any page or any new page of your choice to your website. In this video tutorial, I've walked you through 5 steps you will take for you to create your free website for just few minutes. The first, you must have a Gmail account. The second is choose the type of website you want. Is it a website? Is it a blog website? Is it a portfolio where you can show whatever you do? And then choose either to build from scratch or pre-made templates. Then the third is choose the theme and then start creating content for your website. Then the fourth is I showed you how to create pages, how to add image, how to add your content. And then the last one is publish, where we get right to publish our website, and then anyone can go online, search for your free website, and the person is up right there into your website. So thanks guys, this is the end of this video. If you're new to my channel, I'm Chris Ostom. This is Webplug Media, where we post educating videos for digital marketing. We have website design, SEO, content creation, online marketing, advertisement of social medias, and everything you think of this internet. So this is the right channel to visit for subsequent videos. So in our next video, as I said before, now I will teach you how to get a website developed with a paid hosting. So hit the subscribe button and turn on the subscription bell, and what it's gonna do is just whenever we upload rating videos like this, you're gonna be the first to be notified, and then you watch it and get educated. So guys, thank you. I'm gonna see you in the next video.